how to copy a table. Sometimes it happens that you want to clone a table before making some change in the database. In the usual way, you can create another table with the same table schema and then insert all rows into it. But SQL Server gives you a convenient way to do it by using into. It's so handy. I used to use it a lot when I was working on a database-centric project. Have you used the into keyword for copying a table? See that. We will create a table and we will insert data to table, and we will insert the data to another table. But we can create a table with a data just copy schema, and then you can get this data and copy it directly to this table. It's very easy. Thank you.